Hey guys, in today's video I will be creating a brown smoky eye with a nude lip. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. First, I'm starting off with foundation. This is the CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in the shade Golden Ivory. I'm using a stippling brush to apply this because I find that it gives me the most natural finish besides using beauty sponges. I've been using this foundation for quite a while now and it makes my skin look so smooth. I'm really enjoying it. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline FitMe Concealer in Fair. I'm also using the stippling brush to blend this out. And I'm also setting that concealer with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. I know my voice may sound a little off right now, but that's because I got my wisdom teeth removed last week, which was only about 4 days ago, so please bear with me. So next is the brows, and I'm using the NYX Microbrow pencil in Ash Brown. This pencil is really great for achieving a natural brow. Because the pen is so thin, you can mimic hair-like strokes. I've been really into the natural brow look rather than the thicker ones lately. I feel like it gives your brow a more feminine look to it. So basically what I'm doing for my brows is I outline the bottom first, very lightly, and I kind of outline the top as well. Then I begin to start filling it in. I really like to define my arch and my tail of my brow because I don't really have one, so your girl needs to do that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in the color Amber. This product is really creamy and it's also the perfect shade for my skin tone. It just melts into your foundation and it blends very well with your makeup. Next, I'm going in with the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love these drops. You can tone it down or go all the way, which of course I must go all the way with the glow. I love highlighting my nose, like between my eyebrows, a little bit on my chin and my Cupid's bow. Now we're gonna go in with blush. This is the MAC blush in New Romance. This just adds more glow to your face. You can even just wear this alone without any highlight and it just gives you a very healthy glow. After that, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I'm just gonna add that to the areas where I put the matchsticks at. Next, I'm gonna bake underneath my contour, and I'm just gonna make a line underneath it. While I'm doing that, I'm going to set my whole face, and I'm going to be using the same Coty Airspun powder. Now we're gonna add some more highlight to the face. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm using the shade Glow Getter. Now we're gonna start with the eyes. The first shade I will be going in with is Soda Pop, and I'll just be applying that all over my lid in patting motions. After that, I'll be blending it into my crease, keeping it low, but taking it a little bit close to my crease, just to give it that gradient effect. So here I'm taking a fluffy brush to go ahead and buff it out. I'm also going to pack on more color to make it stand out. You want to use windshield wiper motions and small circular motions when you're blending this out into the crease so that you can get a nice even blend. I'm also adding the shade Silk Cream for the transition color into my crease. Applying eyeshadow is a process. Sometimes after blending you may buff away some of the color and you have to go back and redistribute it. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this onto the bottom lash line with the same colors, Silk Cream and Soda Pop. I've already added some eyeliner and I'm just blending that into the eyeshadow that I recently applied. Now it's time to go ahead and dust off that bake. And I'm just buffing it away in circular motions. For lashes, I'm going to apply the Dodo lashes in D115. For lips, I'm using the MAC Whirl Lip Liner, and I kind of overline a little bit, but so what? For the actual lip color, I'll be going in with the Makeupforever liquid lipstick in the shade number 101. It's a really pretty nude beige. And last for the lips, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs just to give my lips a fuller lip gloss. For the last and final step, I'll be setting my face using the Maybelline setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this a thumbs up if you like the look. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on that notification bell to be notified when I post. And thank you all for watching. Bye!